in Bradford Centenary Square this afternoon to protest against plans to put up the city's council tax. The ruling Labour group want to increase the tax by just under 10%, the highest increase in over a decade. Kathy Killick reports.
The City of Culture means this is Bradford's year to shine, but not everyone in the city is happy. These protesters have banded together to form Bradford United Against Austerity, and they're objecting to the council's proposals to raise council tax by 9.99%.
That is the highest council tax rise in the country. It's way ahead of inflation. This is a city which is the 5th poorest in the country, and it's one of the youngest in the country. And we think a 10% council tax rise is absurd and should have been resisted by the council.
Many parents have reached out to me, many families have reached out to me, many people like pensioners, single parents, everyone's reached out to me to say that they cannot afford this increase in council tax.
The council had proposed to raise the tax by 15%, but was refused permission by the government. They were instead given leave to raise it above the usual 5% cap, the aim being to stabilise the council's finances over the next 5 years.
In a statement, the council points out that its council tax at the moment is £145 lower than the average for similar councils. It's also the lowest in West Yorkshire. If the 9.99% increase is approved next week, it says Bradford's council tax would still be below average for both West Yorkshire and similar councils nationally.
There's also a plan to help the very poorest households meet the extra cost. Decision day is on Thursday. Expect a heated debate. Kathy Killick, BBC Look North, Bradford.